Have you ever wondered why certain desires seem to flow effortlessly into your life, while others feel like an endless struggle? It can feel as though the universe is picking favorites. But what if I told you it's not chance or luck? The truth is, manifesting your desires isn't just about wishful thinking. It's about understanding the intricate dance between your soul, your energy, and the universe itself. Let's explore not just the science, but the spiritual truth behind why you have the power to create the life you long for. Manifestation isn't about pulling something out of thin air. It's about recognizing the creative force that's already within you. You are a creator by design. From the thoughts you think to the energy you radiate, you're constantly shaping your reality, whether you realize it or not. But here's the profound truth. The life you're living today is a reflection of what you believed yesterday. Every thought, every feeling, every intention carries a vibration that ripples through the unseen realms. It's not magic, it's a law of existence, as natural as gravity. As Ralph Waldo Emerson once said, the ancestor of every action is a thought. Let's start with the foundation, belief. What you believe about yourself, the world, and your place in it creates the lens through which you experience life. But here's the catch. Most of your beliefs aren't even yours. They were handed to you by your family, your culture, and your experiences, often without question. Were you told that life is a struggle, or that money doesn't grow on trees? These ideas plant seeds in your subconscious, shaping what you think is possible. Neville Goddard, a teacher of the power of imagination, said it best. You don't attract what you want, you attract what you believe. If your beliefs are rooted in lack or fear, that's exactly what you'll continue to experience. Take a moment to ask yourself, what beliefs am I carrying about my worth, my capabilities, and my future? Are they truly mine? And if not, why am I holding on to them? Let us talk energy for a quick minute. Energy is the language of the universe. Everything, including your thoughts and emotions, vibrates at a specific frequency. When you're filled with gratitude, joy, or love, you emit a high-frequency vibration that aligns with abundance. But when you're stuck in fear, doubt, or resentment, your energy shifts into a lower frequency, and you attract experiences that match. Dr. Joe Dispenza, a pioneer in neuroscience and spirituality, explains, your thoughts send the signal out, and your emotions draw the experience back. Imagine your energy as a radio signal, broadcasting your desires to the universe. If your signal is scattered, wanting abundance, but believing in scarcity, the universe mirrors that confusion back to you. But here's the beauty. You can change your frequency. Every moment is an opportunity to choose thoughts and feelings that elevate your vibration. Gratitude is one of the most powerful tools for this. It shifts your focus from what's missing to what's already abundant in your life, creating a magnet for more of the same. Now, let's address the question that so many wrestle with. Why do unwanted experiences keep showing up? Carl Jung, the renowned psychologist, called this shadow projection. The parts of yourself that you suppress, your fears, insecurities, and unhealed wounds, don't disappear. They find their way into your reality, reflected back to you through people and situations. If you're constantly encountering rejection, chaos, or disrespect, ask yourself, what within me might be calling this in? This isn't about blame, it's about awareness. The universe is like a mirror, reflecting your inner world so you can heal and grow. But here's the deeper truth. Unwanted experiences are not punishments, they're lessons. They're the universe's way of guiding you toward greater alignment. It's not happening to you, it's happening for you. The question is, are you willing to look within and transform the energy you're sending out? Manifestation isn't about control, it's about collaboration. Yes, your thoughts and energy set the stage, but the universe has its own divine timing. When you grip too tightly to an outcome or obsess over how it will unfold, you create resistance. The key is to surrender, not in defeat, but in trust. Trust that the universe knows what's best for you, even when it doesn't match your timeline. Trust that delays are not denials, but divine redirections. And trust that your desires are being woven into your life in ways that serve your highest good. Surrender is not giving up, it's giving in to the flow of the universe. So, how do you begin aligning with the life you desire? It starts with 3 powerful practices: awareness, intention, and action. 1. Awareness. Take stock of your beliefs and energy. What are you thinking, feeling, and radiating on a daily basis? Awareness is the first step to transformation. 2. Intention. Get clear on what you truly want, not just on the surface, but at a soul level. Your intentions should align with who you are and what brings you joy. 3. Action. Manifestation requires movement. Take inspired steps toward your desires, even if they're small. Action is the bridge between your inner world and your outer reality. Manifestation is not just about acquiring things, it's about becoming. It's about aligning with the highest version of yourself and stepping into your purpose. When your desires come from a place of love, service, and authenticity, the universe responds with abundance. As you embark on this journey, remember, the power to create is already within you. It's in your thoughts, your energy, your choices, and your faith. You are not separate from the universe. You are a co-creator with it. And when you align with this truth, there's no limit to what you can manifest. So the next time you wonder why your desires haven't yet materialized, don't look outward, look inward. Ask yourself, what am I believing? What am I radiating? And most importantly, what am I becoming? Because the truth is, you're not just here to dream, you're here to create. And the life you desire is already waiting for you to claim it.